वाओ, व्हाट अ वीकेंड। जैसा वीडियो का टाइटल कहता है गाइस, ठंड रखो ठंड। 3 गेम हुए थे, बस 3 गेम।
Yeah.
और लोगों ने इतना ज्ञान पेलना चालू कर दिया था इंटरनेट पे। एथलेटिक्स से लेके गली का कुत्ता, ऐसा खेलना चाहिए वैसा खेलना चाहिए, कैसे मेरा मर चुका है, ग्रेवन बच नया
Yeah.
वो है, कोई बहुत बढ़िया तोप चीज है।
Yeah.
शांति, शांति। मिल गई ना विक्ट्री। क्या कहना चाहोगे मेन्यू? हाउ डू यू फील?
Um, okay, I feel good. I think when our team wins, the good thing is then you can enjoy football. वरना अगर हम हार जाते हैं तो ऐसा लगता है यार मुझे फुटबॉल से नफरत है, हम बाकी टीम्स को हारता हुआ भी नहीं देख सकते. So the good thing was कि वीकेंड के स्टार्ट में ही we won and then I could watch Liverpool lose, other teams struggle and all of that, right? So I think it was a good win, but I think शुरू के 30 minutes it didn't feel comfortable. It almost felt like यार अब हर टीम के साथ दिक्कत हो गई है तो. But after that, like I think we can control the game.
यहीं पे मुझे लगता है मेरा बहुत सही डिसीजन था कि मैं उठा ही 25 मिनट होने के बाद, अर्ली मॉर्निंग गेम था।
Exactly.
और
Yeah.
मैं सुबह सो के उठा और मैंने देखा कि कैसे कैसे मेरे की जगह एरिक्सन खेल रहा है प्लेइंग सिक्स में। तो नींद अपने आप ही चली गई पटी में। और मैं उठ के मैच देखने लगा। और
Yeah.
उठते ही देखा कि भाई पेनल्टी मिल चुकी है।
Yeah. Yeah.
तो अब बस मेरा माइंड बन चुका था कि ये वीकेंड बर्बाद होने वाला है। एंड आई मैं देख रहा था व्हाट्सएप में बहुत सारे चैट्स भी अपन लोग के आ रहे थे।
Yeah.
एंड समवेयर आउट डाउन द लाइन आई थॉट कि चलो ये भी शायद कुछ बहुत ही ह्यूमिलिएटिंग डिफीट होने वाली है, लाइक लास्ट सीजन।
Correct.
बट वी परसिवर ब्रो। लाइक आई थिंक 30th मिनट के बाद तो इट वाज जस्ट वन टीम प्लेइंग एंड अदर टीम जस्ट।
Yeah, no, honestly,
या
you're right. I mean, 30 minutes तक Southampton were playing us off the park. They were in our half all the time. I think वो जो penalty save की ना उनाना ने, I think
वाओ।
after that, United, I think realized कि if we don't focus, we may lose the game badly. And then Dillit के header के बाद तो I think we took a different like energy altogether. Everybody was then trying to do step overs, nutmegs. I think United looked so different after that first goal went in. So I think yeah,
आई एंड आई थिंक जो स्कोर लाइन है, दैट प्रोबेबली इट विल नॉट रिफ्लेक्ट द रियल डोमिनेशन। आई थिंक
good.
जो सेकंड हाफ में तो इट वाज जस्ट लाइक वन टीम शो।
Yep, yep.
और प्रोबेबली अगर जर्गजी की थोड़ी फिनिशिंग बेटर होती तो वी कुड हैव स्कोर्ड like 3-4 goals, more
Oh,
goals, like it could
definitely.
be like
Yep.
5-6-0 up. It was really like dominating performance, I'll say.
Yeah, that was I think one of the biggest positives for me, which was second half में we didn't try to be cute or take more risk. Manager managed to rotate. हम थोड़ा रेस्ट दे पाए डिलीट को. Plus we controlled it completely till the end. वो नहीं हुआ कि 75 मिनट्स 80 मिनट्स कंट्रोल किया और एंड में फिर एक दो गोल, जो कि हमारी आदत बन चुकी है पिछले एक डेढ़ सीजन्स में. So I think that controlling aspect was pretty good. And Ugarte got to play 30 minutes.
Wow.
Maguire also came in, and Garnacho is becoming a super substitute anyway. So yeah, I think second half we actually played really well.
Let's talk about Ugarte, right?
Yeah,
मैं Rashford बाकी सबके बारे में भी आऊंगा, but
yeah,
Ugarte, the minutes he played, I think he showed the promise. मुझे याद है वो आते ही like 78 मिनट
yeah,
में there was one वो जो गर्नाचो को जो like जिसपे रेड कार्ड मिला था,
correct,
उस बिल्डअप के पहले there was a situation where Martinez was one on one,
correct,
गर्नाचो पीछे था,
yeah,
he covered that gap. And I
yeah,
think वही सब लोग बात करते थे कि we need someone who can cover the back, like gap between the defense.
yeah,
और लग रहा है कि हाँ, this was a 50 million signing, although it was just 20 minutes. एक
yeah,
snapshot मिला अपने को how he could play, but I was impressed with what I saw. And I was like कि
yeah. I think.
this is an upgrade over Casemiro for sure.
Oh, definitely, and I think it also has that element कि हमने बहुत टाइम से proper number six नहीं देखा तो when we see anyone who's even doing one or two things that a number six is supposed to do, we feel good. And I think there was this stat कि Ugarte was पूरा 100% tackle rate, 100% dual rate, whatever passes he attempted, all made it through. Even for 30 minutes, I think that's a good way to embed a new player. And Premier League में I think earlier people were saying Ugarte को खिलाओ and फिर उसको substitute कर देना. But I think
Hmm.
luckily Eric Ten Hag took the right call. He bring him later on when we were controlling the game instead of throwing him into the Premier League straight away. तब हम 2-0 अप हो गए, कंफर्टेबल हो गए, then we brought him in, not to put any pressure on him. My only thing is, I'm worried about Manu. I think he needs a rest. Hopefully, Barnsley के against we rest him. But Ugarte looked good. I'm
या
100%.
डेफिनेटली आई थिंक मायनू डेफिनेटली नीड्स रेस्ट. और जैसा मुझे दिख रहा है कि इट कुड बी अ सिनेरियो वेयर लाइक उगार्टे एंड कैसेमीरो माइट एंड अप प्लेइंग टुगेदर,
Yeah,
राइट? अगर उगार्टे का स्टैट्स भी देखा जाए, सो वन ऑफ हिज प्रॉब्लम कि
yeah,
जो फॉरवर्ड पासेस है,
yeah.
दैट्स नॉट प्रॉब्ली हिज फोर्टे. हिज फोर्टे इज मोर ऑन द डिफेंसिव साइड ऑफ थिंग्स.
Correct.
सो कैसेमीरो को probably शायद वो फ्रीडम मिलेगी जो he doesn't have the legs to go back, cover. So
Correct.
probably it could be a situation jahan Mainu or Casemiro ko we can swap around. Like that's one way of thinking about it.
Correct.
Aaj bhi Casemiro he was playing on the center back kind of situation, right? So you never know. Like this could be a team tactics going forward.
No, definitely. And honestly, तब अपने injured players वापस आ जाएंगे when Shaw is back. Hopefully, Dalo can play in his natural position, and I think we will discuss Dalo shortly. And then
Yeah.
we can get Euro back. We can get Holland back. I think this team will look good. Uh, but yes, it's still like only Southampton, right? Like bottom of the league.
Yeah.
They lost all their matches. अभी तक एक ही goal किया है. So I'm not reading too much into it. But I think
Yeah.
if anything, after the loss to Liverpool, this was the best way we could have started the comeback, so to speak.
And Liverpool losing to Forest is like a cherry on the
Cherry
top.
on the cake.
चीजें बहुत बढ़िया जा रही थी, अब और बढ़िया चली गई.
Elanga का assist and what is that player? Chelsea का Callum Hudson-Odoi, he scored.
He that goal was so good, and I think even before that, अब उस गेम में मैं ज़्यादा नहीं जाना चाहूँगा, but
Yeah.
there were slight weakness which was showing up, and also जो जो last game भी हुआ था,
Yeah.
what people were talking कि United और Liverpool का game play style same है, 4-4 है,
Yeah.
and then there's always a chance of counter attack, and especially जितना high line वो खेलते हैं.
Yeah.
And आज वही था, it's a double edged sword, right? चल गए तो चल गया, और जब नहीं चले तो फिर ऐसे गोल जो काउंटर अटैकिंग वाली टीम वो सिक्स बैक, it would be a nightmare. But just coming back to this match, right?
Yeah.
How do you feel the dynamics between Rashford and Xerxes were? Like I personally like जो 1-1 उनका एक जो था जिसमें almost Xerxes ने वो गोल मतलब मार सकता था वो.
Yeah.
But I like their dynamics. Rashford काफी confident भी आज लग रहा था. I think काफी shots target पे भी गए. So no more Rashford,
नहीं, I think it's interesting before the match last week during the international break, Rashford ने कुछ videos डाले थे अपने of training with a coaching team, like away from United. They are called RHE Elite Coaching or something. And one thing that he was working on was finishing. That
Yep.
showed in his goal. The second one
Correct.
was there was this interesting interview with I don't know the channel, maybe it was Manchester United official channel, wherein they were asking him ki in your full career at United, who was your best partner up front, and he mentioned Martial and Pogba. And the reason for that was, for Pogba, he said the passes that Pogba used to play always used to fall perfectly where he's supposed to be. For Martial, he talked about the link-up play a lot. So I think somewhere today we saw that a little bit of that link-up. I think one best attribute about Xerxes is his link-up. Even the Netherlands coach was talking about how important Xerxes is for the Netherlands team. Everything goes through him. And that's Ronald Koeman, okay? He's a very experienced... was it Ronald Koeman for Netherlands coach? Not sure. Whoever the Netherlands coach was, right? And I think we saw that. आज के link-up में, because Bruno was not playing that well. However, we were still creating chances. So, I guess Xerxes played well then because he was there apart from Bruno to create those chances. So yeah, I'm excited to see how we can utilize Xerxes more once we also have Højlund, right? Because I've seen Højlund also have a good link up front. That one touch, like first touch pass to someone, I saw the same with Xerxes. So yeah, hopefully he improves his finishing. Otherwise he looked good. it was a
आई
good
थिंक
win.
एक चीज मैंने देखी है, जो जो स्ट्राइकर्स फॉरवर्ड्स दूसरी लीग से ईपीएल में आते हैं,
Yeah,
दे हैव दिस टेंडेंसी टू लाइक बॉल को अपने प्रेफर्ड फीट में ले जाके फिर गोल मारने का।
yeah,
इतना टाइम प्रीमियर लीग में मिलता है ना, और आज दो जो चांसेस मिस किए, आई डोंट वांट टू बी क्रिटिकल, ऑफ
yeah,
कोर्स ही प्लेड गुड, लिंक अप प्ले एंड लाइक ऑल द चांसेस बीइंग क्रिएटेड, उसका एक्सजी भी काफी ज्यादा था, बट देन ही वाज ऑलवेज प्रेफरिंग टू गेट इट टुवर्ड्स हिज प्रेफर्ड
yeah,
फुट, एंड देन वहां पे कहीं ना कहीं वो फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकंड में he was missing it. But I think
yeah,
he's still very young and he will develop. And it's showing good signs that, except for the finishing part, he has the potential.
yeah,
And let's see how things goes. But like I would like to talk about Ahmad, right?
yeah, yeah.
And before we talk, एक stat I would like to bring it on to the screen. Uh, so this one. So let's see the ball progression, right? Like which has been done by Ahmad. It's way ahead of both the team combined. Like, and we are talking about progression via pass, right?
Yep.
And that shows that he has really cemented his position, right? He has really बोल दिया कि भाई राइट विंग तो मेरा ही है, और यहाँ पे अब मैं ही खेलूंगा, बाकी सांचो को तो मैं भगा चुका हूँ, एंटनी के पास भी कोई चांस नहीं. So what do you want to say about Ahmad and how he has developed like within 1 year?
I think that right wing is Ahmad's now.
Yeah.
I think earlier when we were trying to fit Garnacho into it, that time is gone now. And I think Anthony is not coming back into that wing area anytime soon. अगर टेन हाग को भी खिलाना होगा किसी और को, तो he will play Garnacho. But I think now it'll be interesting to see Garnacho and Rashford competing. Garnacho has been really good, a goal or assist every 57 minutes because he's coming off the bench. I don't know if this will work against him, wherein manager may think कि ये तो Solskjaer जैसा है, bench से आके he's more effective. But yes, coming back to Ahmad, I think he's a different gravy when it comes to the type of the footballer Anthony or Garnacho is, right? He's so calm all the time and he has ideas. When he has the ball near the box, it's not one dimensional like Anthony or even Rashford sometimes, right? He can go right, he can go left, he sometimes pauses, looks for people. It always seems like he has a lot of time. Now, it's funny. This is what we wanted Sancho to be.
Correct.
जो नहीं कर पाया, right, for whatever reason. And
Exactly.
I am just so happy. Ahmad is someone we brought from Atlanta, sent him on loan. He came back. Now he is someone who fought for his place, and now he's starting every day. So it's a very
Yep.
good look for any junior person on the team or anybody else struggling on the team कि यार तुम effort डालोगे, hard work करोगे, तो then this is where you'll end up. You'll end up as being the main right wing on the team, maybe the first name on the team sheet. So I'm so
Correct.
happy for Ahmad. And I think वो जो physicality के उसके restrictions थे, I think he's overcome them with just pure technical skill.
Pure technique, correct. Like the dribble pass, and I think Ajbi he was trying to
Yeah.
get the ball to his left foot,
Yeah.
but he like the main point about Ahmad, I'll say कि टीम में ना कुछ ऐसे प्लेयर चाहिए रहते हैं जो सेल्फिश नहीं हो.
Yeah.
Sometimes we want कि फॉरवर्ड सेल्फिश हो ताकि they try to go for goals. There's a healthy competition. But when you have someone like Xerxes, जो striker है, Rashford, who's always looking to score from the difficult position, you need someone जो थोड़ा दिमाग से खेले. Like somewhere like जो Bruno ऐसे thinking है, यार मुझे play बनाना है,
Correct.
making it
Yes.
easier
Yes.
to get the goal and to get the team sheet up rather than तुम्हारी individual team sheet up. And he is looking that kind of unselfish player
Yeah.
who I think has cemented his place, but long way to go, but things looking bright to say the least.
Oh, definitely. He reminds me of young Sterling. Same body
Yeah.
shape, dribbling style. Running style
Correct.
iska better hai. Sterling used to run like SS, like whatever. But high hopes with Ahmad. Hopefully he does well. And this is his time, right? यही उसका time है career में when he has to make the most of it. And he
Yeah.
has the right setup in the sense, not a lot of competition on the right wing. You
True,
just have
true.
to be better than Anthony, right? Which is all
Yeah,
he needs to
which
do.
is like थोड़ा easy हो गया मतलब
Yeah.
competition.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
Okay, so lastly, I would also like to talk about Dillit. Uska shayad, like, he fourth game, like, new team, new country, new season, and I think he's looking solid. I
Oh
think
yeah.
him and Martinez, can we see the future? Like, this could be the, like, go-to center back partnership.
Yes, yes, I think it is. Keep in mind, this is Dilit's third game in 5 months. Okay,
Correct, correct.
so we've still not seen 100% Dilit, and every match he's looking better, but better and better. And
Yeah.
I think there is something between Dilit and Martinez wherein they understand what the other guy is trying to do. In some cases, I've seen Dilit giving pass to Martinez without even looking. He knows like Martinez can cover it up. And one interesting thing was Dilit is now more of a stay back center back. What I mean by
Yes.
that is like if opposition is trying to, so let's say we are trying to be in opposition's half trying to score a goal and we lose the ball, and opposition is trying to then quickly get into our box because हमारे CDM और full backs बहुत high रहते हैं. Now Martinez is coming inside the midfield and tackling their midfielder or forward while Dillit stays back. So I think
Yes.
that is how we are going to play. Martinez being quicker, more sharper on turns and more agile. Dillit being that Rolls Royce physical centre back. And if he can
Yes.
pitch in with headers from set pieces, which is one of his key traits by the way, since he was at Ajax, he's been really good with headers. Then yeah, and having Maguire as a backup, it will look pretty good.
Okay, that's good to know. And then keep in mind, right, that अभी सीजन की जस्ट शुरुआत है, 4 games, and then luckily touch wood अभी तक इंजरीज का कोई कंसर्न नहीं है,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
But like with loads of game coming up, अभी 2 दिन में गेम है, उसके बाद अभी काफी गेम्स होने वाला है, यूरोपा भी चालू होगा. So long way to go, but like it would be interesting to see हम कब तक sustain कर पाते हैं इस फॉर्म को, right?
Yeah.
Let's see. But just for the record's sake, 180 plus games, and then
Yeah.
we haven't lost any game when we were 2-0 up. Seems like uh, अपना यही रेसिपी है, 2 गोल कर दो बस, उसके बाद तो विन पक्की है.
Yeah, I think we only struggled in finishing, honestly.
Yeah,
Even this season, when we were losing, we were creating a lot of chances, one of the highest forward passes, chances, whatever. And I think not having that striker is costing us a lot. Not having a
yes,
proper
true.
striker like a Haaland or someone like even Hoyland when he's in the team, he gives that extra edge, right? So my concern is Hoyland has been out 6 weeks now, maybe 7 weeks.
Yeah, correct.
I hope he's not that injury prone kind of a player. Um, but yeah, I think let's wait for the next two matches, which are with weaker opposition. All due respect,
Yes,
I would love to see Ten Hag try someone like Collier or even give Ugarte full 90 minutes against them. Try some other youngsters, right? Because हमारा वैसे भी काफ़ी fragile squad है. Anybody can get injured anytime.
correct.
So we need
Yeah,
to at least rest the key players like Bruno, Zirkzee, Dillet, even Dalo. I think Dalo was putting in a lot of effort in the international break also. And he's poor guy has been played on the left all the time.
yeah.
And that is why we saw some weaknesses in the first 25-30 minutes.
Correct. And I think even the last game, although Casemiro पे पूरा भांडा फूटा था, but
Yeah.
he was on the fault too, right?
Yes.
At least the goal where Salah gave the assist,
Correct.
and so and even आज भी जो penalty हुई है, that was with
Yeah.
Nello, right?
Yeah.
So maybe he needs a break, and or maybe he needs to step up, long story short, क्योंकि आज अगर सारी टीम परफॉर्म कर रही है, I think on the attacking side he's spot on. His उसके crosses, passes were really good. Even आज जो third goal था, he had an assist.
Yeah.
But on the defensive side of things, we need him to
Yeah.
step up there for
Yeah,
sure.
and I think every opposition will automatically attack Dallo, right? He's not a
Yeah.
natural left back. If anything, he used to be a natural winger and then converted into a right back. At right back, he's flawless. But right
Correct.
now we have Mazraoui who is equally good.
Yeah.
So automatically Ten
Yeah.
Hag is like, you are the only one who can play on the left back.
Correct.
Hopefully Shaw or Malacia comes back on time, and hopefully we sign a left back in winter. Winter window will be critical to sign a left back, I hope. But yeah, basically let's see how the next game turns up. This was a good start to the weekend. Very nice.
Yeah, this was indeed a good start to the weekend, and I think with the upcoming games like Crystal Palace, Tottenham, I think we are in for a ride. But let's see how things goes, right? With this team, you can never say कब कौन step up कर पाए or कब
Exactly.
like we just lost the wheels. But yeah, I think like I will like to wrap up the video here. Comment करके बताइए what do you think? Like what are some of the positives you could take away from this week or from this weekend? What did you enjoy most? Us winning 3-0 या Liverpool not Forest से जो 1-0 हारी है? Like what did you enjoy the most? And of course, like please like, share, and subscribe, guys. We're enjoying all your support and all your love. Ever since we launched the ULS 2.0. So keep your love, and keep spreading your love, and keep tuning in for the channel. We'll be back again for our review for the next game. Tab tak, sayonara.